Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, bit of a bullish cross today, and we finally started to rip upwards off of that. Always pay attention to convergence. Mixed in the morning, we got some volatility as we went along there, and we did finish with a sizable green deck. Somewhat subjective. We get these big, huge bars. If you look left, you can see some occasions where we got some reversion back the other direction. Like I said, it's subjective. Don't just go giga short. Keep an eye on what is going on throughout the day with flow and everything else. Jumping into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. Customers got slightly more into short the pop mode. And interestingly enough, that 640 whale target has dropped off for today. So very interesting there. 625 was our low yesterday. It's 620 now. So now we really have support at 631, 629, and then a lower target of 620. Keep an eye to see if that upper one pops back up. If it doesn't, and we start to get bearish flow, then we will see some downside. Jumping into our dark pools, SIG print at 628, 18 of them. Mark it on your charts as important point of price contention. And our largest ag walked up a little bit to 631.28, so walked up about $3 roughly, to be honest. We're a little bit above that now in the AH session. We're at 634.07 in the AH session, so let's go ahead and check our gamma and see where that brings us from there. So jumping into our gamma, we're at 634, so we are sitting right around this spot right here, this small rappel. Thin once again on either side. Thin from 634 really up to 641, and then thin from 634, a tiny at 629, but really down to 621. Biggest pull on the board is still down to the left at 625, but we're going to need to see bearish flow to get down to that spot. So kind of a wide range there, on a wide thin range on our aggregate look. Let's go ahead and check tomorrow, 8.7, and see what that brings for us there. So a little bit more clustered. If you can see, we have a huge positive gamma cluster here from 624 to 629, and then we're thin up to 639 for the most part. 630 is the biggest pull currently, so for this to happen to this downside into the 621, tomorrow we'd really need to see a gamma ramp down where we push away, and repel away from all these green levels and melt that direction. If not, if we start to hold these levels here and we get a bunch of bullish flow, then we do have some room up to 639. Pretty easy look for tomorrow. Just pay attention to MNF and see which direction it's telling us, and then also pay attention to that convergence as well. That is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.